Alright, so this question says a triangle has vertices A at -1, 2, B at 5, 8, and C at -1, -7, and they're giving us a fourth point, D, which is on side BC, and it's telling us that the area of triangle ACD is half of the area of triangle ABC. So let me plot these points. We have -1, 2, that's A, we have 5, 8 somewhere up here, that's B. Hello, B, okay. And then we have -1, -7. Okay, this is definitely not the scale. But it's kind of like this. This is somewhat our triangle. Somewhat. Okay, clearly I did not draw this to scale, but that's fine. And it's telling us that we have a point D somewhere on the side BC, and the area of triangle ACD, so this triangle right here, is half of this entire huge triangle, ABC. So we're looking for essentially the coordinates of D. Now, all right, so this right here, if we want this triangle to have half of the area of this entire triangle, so let's think about this. Well, the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. Now, it doesn't matter whether we use triangle ACD or ABC, they have the same height. It's going to be from this line, this base, to the highest point, which is right here. This is going to be the height of triangle ADC and the height of triangle ABC, so they have the same height. So if we want this this triangle ACD to have the same, to be half of the area of ABC, well, we can't change the height, we can't manipulate the height, so all that's left is to manipulate the base. So we want the base to be half of the base of the bigger triangle. So if this is our base right here, well, this is the base of our smaller triangle, this is our base of our bigger triangle. So basically it's saying that CD has got to be equal to 1/2 of the entire length of BC. So this point D right here has got to be at the midpoint of BC, so that this point can be half of that. So what is the midpoint of BC? Well, vertically, we travel a distance from -7 to 8. So that's a vertical distance of 15. So the change in y is going to be 7 plus 8, which is 15. Now our change in x is going to be from -1 to 5, which is 6. So halfway, our midpoint is going to be halfway that. So it's going to be a positive 3 from this -1. So -1 plus 3, because it's a total distance of 6. And then from -7 to 8, well, it's going to be half of 15. So that's 7.5. So -7 plus 7.5. And our coordinate of D is going to be 2 to 0.5. That's our midpoint right here. And this point would make CD equal to half of BC. And so we're going to add x plus y, and we get 2.5, or 5/2.